Welcome in my channel. Here Pierpaolo Romanelli from Italy, from this unlucky Italy. I'm sorry. In this lesson I shall show my routine that I created in order to generate a calendar. What is needed is to insert a year here in the cell, and automatically will generate 12-month calendar. There we go, very quick and simple. And I created this procedure to generate the calendar. What I ask you first, subscribe my channel video tutorial. Yeah, we are just in the beginning, but we are sure we shall improve the channel, we shall grow. Okay, and here we go. So what we need to understand how to generate a calendar, very simple and easy, are some function in Excel that give you the number of the week and the day week, every day in the week as a number, and is relative to the year. So this is the first week, the second week, the third week, and so go on. And using these functions, VBA functions, we can position the data here in the spreadsheet. Here in the spreadsheet, in fact, what I do is to establish where to start. In my case, curcol is the number of call and currow is the current row, and from here we'll start to design the calendar. Another stuff is screen updating is false, so that I speed up the generation. So we'll not paint the screen until you don't put off the screen updating boolean, this boolean from application. And as you can see, it's very immediate, the generation. And here I put the year, for example 1976 when I born, and year. The generation is flash, and you can see that is very easy. Let's go to see the function, the routine involved. Here I establish the current year variable, and I take from the A2 cell, in this case from here, and from that variable career, what I do a cycle from 1 till 12, the number of months, and here I move practically the curcol and currow. I move, and here I use an array of months. You can put in every language you wish, and here I design the month name. Here I put an horizontal alignment, the color, the font, and I move to the next row. And here I start to design the name, Monday, Sunday, and so on. And I design here, and I move to the next row here. And here is the design stuff from here. Start to paint the day number. And as you can see, I use two variables, first day and last day. First day is the first day of the month, can be only one. but is a date value, because I take this cur day, cur month, and cur year, and the first day is a serial, is a number practically, and the last day I use date serial, cur year, cur month plus 1, and gave me the last day number, and is calculated by Excel functions. And so I do a cycle here from first day to last day. I take the VBA week number, and because this function gives you the number of week in the year, but we need the number of week in the month, I created this trick. I don't know if it's the best way, but it works very well, no? And from this I remove a number, an integer, and the result is to get the number of week in the month. And here we go. What I do, I give some formation format. If it's the last day of the week, I gave red. The weekday is 7, so the last I gave a font color red, and so on. And what is important to understand in this function is the if the current month, I do an if. If the current month is February, I move the cur call of 9 places. Here we go. So from here I count 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and I start to paint from here. Okay. And so for the row, this is the third month. The 4th month, I move the row. Of course, I have to move 9 position from here, because I need to move 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 9, and I start to paint from here. But of course, these are parameters that you can change easily in this function. And it's very interesting. I gave an header to the calendar, some font background white and color foreground blue, the blue. But of course, these are arbitrary parameters that you can change very easily. But you can see that the generation of the routine is very simple. Some rows, no complication, and this is interesting. And here we go. We saw how to generate a calendar. Very, very simple. I think there are other ways to generate calendar, but this I created is very, very simple and nice. Thank you for watching this channel, for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.